E aí, gente, beleza? Hoje iremos voltar para Rurópolis e junto com o Vanderlei agora. Nós que estamos aqui na Hilux e ele também. Ricardo tá vomitando muito, né, Ricardo? Tá vomitando muito? E a ângulas. Vamos pegar no limão lá. Comprei novo pra gravar agora. Olha a Maria.
Se tu tirou pra tu e disse que tá bom, esse aqui eu vou tirar pra mim.
Pois é. Tá bom já. Bora.
Pode tirar, moço. Aqui, ó. Tem dois bons aqui, ó. Eu já chego, ó. Tem um aqui, tem dois. Tem ali um gravadão ali. Vou usar logo.
Partiu.
Misturar aqui, o cara vai deixando e vai.
where the dirt meets the sky and the fields roll wide. We're the backbone of the South, we're the fire inside. When the storm rolls in, we don't break, we don't bend. We dig in our boots, stand tall till the end. From the backwoods to the bayou, we've walked this land with a six-string in hand and a steel-eyed stand. Through the mud and the blood, we built our pride with a southern roar that can't be denied. When the lightning strikes, we crank it loud. We're the rebel soul, standing out in the crowd. With a guitar riff and a heart full of grit, we're ready to roll, never gonna quit. Feel that southern thunder rattle in the night. Born in the backwoods, ready for the fight. We're the sons and daughters of the red, white, and blue, with a shot of whiskey and a whole lot of truth. Raise your fists, let the anthem ring. We're the ones who make the eagles sing. Let the world feel the power of our southern pride as we ride with the storm, with the flag as our guide. From the rusted trucks to the neon lights, we carved our names in the southern nights. With a voice like thunder and a soul so wild, we're the outlaws living free, running mile by mile. In the dive bars and the honky-tonks, you'll find our roots in the midnight songs. We're the rhythm of the South in every beat, and we'll keep on rocking, won't miss a beat. When the lightning strikes, we crank it loud. We're the rebel souls, standing out in the crowd. With a guitar riff and a heart full of grit, we're ready to roll, never gonna quit. Feel that southern thunder rattle in the night. Born in the backwoods, ready for the fight. We're the sons and daughters of the red, white, and blue, with a shot of whiskey and a whole lot of truth. Raise your fists, let the anthem ring. We're the ones who make the eagles sing. Let the world feel the power of our southern pride as we ride with the storm, with the flag as our guide. We're the wild wind howling through the pines. We're the rebel yell and no warning signs. From the swamps to the hills, we're breaking the mold. Southern thunder loud and bold, with every crack of the snare and the bass that pounds. We're the voice of the South, shaking the ground. Feel that southern thunder rattle in the night. Born in the backwoods, ready for the fight. We're the sons and daughters of the red, white, and blue, with a shot of whiskey and a whole lot of truth. Raise your fists, let the anthem ring. We're the ones who make the eagles sing. Let the world feel the power of our southern pride as we ride with the storm, with the flag as our guide. So when the storm rolls in and the sky turns black, we'll be standing tall, ready to fight back. With our amps turned up and our spirits strong, we'll keep rocking where we belong. Where we belong.
Pronto, cheguemos. Graças a Deus, o carro já tá guardado. E é isso, galera. Fiquem todos com Deus. Se inscreve aí no canal e é nóis. Tchau, tchau.